Here we are with the next phase of our Back to Eden garden. We're planting corn. We've got an area here that's about 30 foot long by about 12 foot wide, and we've put down wood chips about 4 inches deep, and now we created a trench to expose the soil, and Jenny's in there putting the seed into the ground right now, creating holes every 6 to 8 inches, and we're going to see how this works to grow corn. And here's the finished product. We got 5 rows all planted. We topped that off with a little bit of organic chicken manure fertilizer, and in addition to that, a little bit of rock dust. And then we topped everything off with some worm castings, so that should give the corn a very good start. Once it's about knee high, we'll come back in and we'll rake our mulch around the legs of the corn, and that should help to stabilize it in the wind a little bit better. And check back with us and we'll give some updates as the corn starts popping out of the ground. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our website. Bye-bye.